Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic number 18, pattern. Pattern means design are there repeated. Okay, in their your bed sheet, your chatai, mat, your chadar, that type they're repeated na. We can create the pattern in geometrical shape. Okay, see here, first circle, whole circle, here small circle but that one colored, oval shape, two circle, again one circle, circle after circle, which figure? Small circle but they colored, then oval, then small big circle, then again one circle. This one repeated there, so you call that one pattern. Now this one angle, right angle, opposite side angle, this one also opposite, same as repeated here. After this, which triangle? Now circle, triangle, circle, square, circle, triangle, circle, square in slant, circle, triangle. Now also circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, then again one circle, triangle, again one circle, triangle, repeated there. Okay, now plus minus multiplication, division, plus minus multiplication, division, plus leaf, flower, leaf, flower, leaf, flower, flower opposite side, leaf opposite side, again one flower, but that one is a shape different, again one leaf, now also leaf, flower, now leaf, now flower, leaf, understand? F and G is your homework. Now 13, observe pattern numbers, complete the filling the blanks. 13 table, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65. Now 13 nines are 13 nines are, how many is there coming? 117. 13 11s are 13 11s are 13 ones are 13, 1 carry 13 143. 13 13s are 13 threes are 39, 3 carry 13 ones are 13, 14 15 16, 169. Now play with number 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 multiply by 3 times, but there is 4. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. Here 5 times repeated. Here 6 times. 2 means 2 multiply by 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 2. 16 twos are 32. 7 times 2. 32 twos are 64. Now prepare dot a grid. 12 to 12 rangoli. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Here also same 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Same dot given you and prepare your own rangoli. Okay, now 19 topic, critical thinking. For a small banana's weight half a kilogram, how many kilogram will 16 such a small banana's weight? Half kg in how many? 4 banana. So you want 16 banana. 4 4s are 16. Half 4 time. Half plus half plus half plus half. How many? 2 kg. So write there 2 kg. Monica visited 8 parks out of 20. What the fraction park did she visit? What fraction she not visited? She visited 8 by 20 and she not visited 12 by 8 20. 12 by 20. Meena wants to vet her pet dog Moti. The dog will not stay on the scale. What can Meena to find the dog's weight? Meena wants to vet her pet dog Moti. The dog will not stay on the scale. What can Meena do to find the dog's weight? She stand with dog on the scale and after weight she do the minus her weight. That time you got the dog weight. Understand? Now, which object will weigh more 1 kg of cotton and 1000 gram of potato? Justify your answer. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So both are in equal weight. Both are in equal weight. Okay, next one. Anna cut her pizza in 3 equal parts. She ate 2 of the piece. Did she eat more or less than half? Justify your answer. This is your pizza. You cut there in the 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. Anna ate 2 parts. So, did she eat more or less? More. She ate more than a half. Two part ate and 1 part is remaining. Only 1 part is there remaining. So she ate more than the half. Irish planting total 48 tulip daffodil bulbs in a garden. She wants to plant equal number of tulip and daffodil. Each row should have same number of tulip daffodils. Show 4 different types of arrangement. There are 48 tulip and daffodil bulbs in a garden. Okay. Now you want there 2 line tulip, 2 line daffodil. Twenty-four. Okay. In the standing line 24, slipping line 2, 2, 2, 2. Another type, show 4 different types. In one line या one row, 2 tulip and 2 daffodil. Another way, in there 4 tulip, 4 daffodil. In one line 4 tulip and 4 daffodils. Okay, 2 type I say you, another 2 type you say there. Okay, that one is your homework. Postal stamps come sheets of 10 stamps. Can 5 friends divided 3 sheets of stamps equally? What part of sheet will each friend get? How did you solve this problem? See here, one sheet have 10 stamps. Means 3 sheets have how many stamps are there? 30. 3 sheets have how many stamps are there? 30. 30 divided by 5. There are 5 friends. They want equally stamps. 30 divided by 5, 6. 6 stamps each one get. 6 stamps each one get. Okay. What part of sheets will each friend get? Half of part each one get. Half. Give their half of half. 4. 5 friends. And then in there is 5 remaining stuff. 1 given. Okay. How did you solve this problem? Each one friend got 6 stamps. First we give half and then remaining half sheet is there. Half sheet is there. Cut there 1 stamp, 1 stamp, 1 stamp and give. Okay. Cut 2 corners of the square along a dotted line. What is the new shape called? What shape will get after cutting the 4 corners? Now see. 2 corners of the square along dotted lines. What is the new shape called? Which shape? See, here you have shapes now. shape you got when you cutted this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 hexagon. Which shape you got? Hexagon. And then when you cut their 4 corners, that time you got their square. You got their square right there. When we 4 shapes we cut there, you got their square, and only 2 shapes there cut, 2 corners dotted, you got their hexagon. Okay, here critical thinking as a topic completed. Okay, here your portion is completed. Regularly you do the revision. Thank you.